In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make a web form on Freshsales Crm. Start by opening Freshsales and looking at the left navigation bar. Click Admin Settings, which is the gear icon. This is where Freshsales keeps the tools that control how your CRM is set up, including options for collecting new leads and contacts from your website. Once you're in Admin Settings, find the section labeled Leads, Contacts, and Accounts. Click into that area and then select Web Forms. This takes you to the page where you can create and manage forms that send submissions directly into Freshsales. Next, click the Add Web Form button. This begins a new form setup where you will decide what information you want visitors to enter. At this point, focus on building a form that is simple and easy for people to complete. Forms with fewer fields are often completed more often, so include only what you truly need. Now click Add Contact Fields. You will be able to choose the fields you want on the form, such as a name field and an email field. Add the fields that match your process, and then mark the essential ones as required. Required fields help ensure that the submissions are usable and that your team can follow up without missing key details. Be careful not to make too many fields required, since that can discourage submissions. After your fields are set, configure what happens after someone submits the form. Choose between displaying a custom message or sending them to a redirect URL. A custom message is useful for a simple confirmation, like letting the visitor know their information was received. A redirect URL is helpful if you want to send them to a specific confirmation page or a next step page on your website. When everything looks correct, click Save. After saving, click Get Code Snippet. This will provide the HTML or JavaScript code needed to embed the form on your site. Copy the snippet exactly as provided to avoid issues with how the form loads or sends data. Finally, open your website editor and paste that snippet into your site's HTML body or footer, depending on where you want the form to appear and how your site is structured. Save and publish your site changes, and then test the form by submitting a sample entry to confirm it reaches Freshsales correctly. And that is all there is to it.